Ever felt like your phone bill is a mystery you can't solve? Or maybe you've experienced dropped calls, poor reception, or just plain bad customer service. So you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vonage, a popular VoIP service that promises to revolutionize the way we communicate. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. Understanding VoIP. Before we get into Vonage, let's quickly break down what VoIP is. It stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Essentially, it's a technology that allows you to make and receive phone calls over the internet instead of traditional phone lines. This can offer several benefits, including lower costs, better features, and sometimes even better call quality. The rise of VoIP. VoIP has gained immense popularity in recent years, especially among businesses and individuals looking for more flexible and affordable communication solutions. Companies like Vonage have emerged as major players in this market, offering a wide range of features and plans. Introducing Vonage. Vonage's claims. Vonage has made a name for itself by touting its ability to provide crystal-clear voice quality, unlimited calling, and a host of advanced features. But does it live up to these claims? Let's take a closer look. Key features. One of the main selling points of Vonage is its extensive feature set. You can expect things like voicemail to email, call forwarding, caller ID, and even the ability to integrate with your favorite business apps. These features can be a game changer for both personal and professional use. Comparing Vonage to competitors. Traditional phone companies. When comparing Vonage to traditional phone companies, the biggest advantage is often cost. VoIP services like Vonage can offer significant savings, especially for those with high calling volumes. However, it's important to note that there might be some limitations, such as reliance on a stable internet connection. Other VoIP providers. There are numerous other VoIP providers out there, each with its own unique offerings. Some might focus on affordability, while others may prioritize advanced features or superior customer service. It's essential to do your research and compare different options to find the best fit for your needs. Customer reviews and feedback. Positive experiences. Many Vonage customers have had positive experiences, praising its clear call quality, reliable service, and helpful customer support. Some even mention that Vonage has saved them a significant amount of money on their phone bills. Negative experiences. However, there are also some negative reviews. Some customers have reported issues with dropped calls, poor call quality in certain areas, and difficulties with technical support. It's important to remember that individual experiences can vary widely. Is Vonage the best choice for you? Factors to consider. Whether Vonage is the right choice for you depends on several factors, including your specific needs, budget, and tolerance for potential issues. If you prioritize affordability, a wide range of features, and reliable service, Vonage might be a great option. However, if you have concerns about call quality or customer support, you might want to explore other alternatives. Personal recommendations. While I can't provide a definitive answer, I can offer some personal recommendations. If you're looking for a budget-friendly VoIP service with a decent feature set, Vonage is definitely worth considering. However, if you have specific requirements or concerns, it's always a good idea to try out different providers before making a final decision. In conclusion, Vonage offers a compelling proposition for those seeking a more affordable and feature-rich phone service. While it has its share of positive reviews, it's important to weigh the potential benefits against the potential drawbacks. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Vonage is right for you is to do your own research, read customer reviews, and perhaps even try it out for yourself. So what are you waiting for? If you're tired of sky-high phone bills and limited features, it's time to explore the world of VoIP. Start by researching Vonage and other leading providers to find the one that best suits your needs. And remember, communication is key, so make sure you choose a service that helps you connect with the people who matter most. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of technology and finding the best solutions for your communication needs.